we're already out of the cave, and now we were able to do the Ramparts walk. So we bought a ticket. Oh, by the way, the entrance fee, babe, how much is the entrance fee
50 shekels.
for the cave?
Yeah.
So 50 shekels or 25 shekels per person for going to the Zedekiah's cave, and then 25. Good thing I asked him about the Ramparts walk if we can do it, and luckily, you know, like he has a key, and then he told us that, you know, you can also buy a ticket from him. So it's also 25 shekels for per person, and you get this view. Oh my gosh, the big dome.
Cool.
Near the western wall. We should go there. Love it as a mosque. Right. Oh my gosh, like we're literally on top of the old city, Jerusalem, and we're gonna walk on the gate. This is the gate of the old city, Jerusalem. My gosh, look at that view, la vie. Wow. Do you think we need to go up more? Okay, let's go up more. My gosh, we could have bought the water.
True.
This is gonna be super hot. Wow. This is so freaking nice. So this is the, like we're gonna, I think this is the Damascus gate. Oh, if I'm not mistaken. Be careful. Yeah, so we're gonna walk on the Damascus gate, going to the Haifa gate and Zion's gate, and any other gate. So this is so freaking cool. Look at the view. It's just, oh my gosh, right? Let's continue taking a video, Mama. Wow. We reached the Haifa gate now, and this walk, based on my research, okay, it's gonna take 1 hour or so, but again, still depends on your pace. But this is also a must try.
Yeah, that's where I bought a coffee.
True, because you know, like you get to get the view of Jerusalem, the old city. That's really so nice.
How thirsty are you, Libby?
Huh?
You can ask that Koya to bring us some water. We can pay from up here.
I don't know if that's possible. Do you have any cash?
Yeah.
It's okay, no? Maybe we'll just go somewhere. Maybe we can find somewhere. Ah, there are also people walking. They're all. But the Zion gate has a different entrance. So this is that entrance on the Zion gate. And I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So we're just so the other I'm not sure which is the southern and the northern gate or whatever. But yeah, so we are done in the western gate. I mean western gate, not the, what do you call it? Like the Damascus gate, the Herod's gate, Jaffa gate, and then now we go down to the Jaffa gate, and then there's another entrance here. Here. There's an entrance there for Zion gates, Dung gate, and on these other gates on this side of the old city. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Wow.
This is the exit, I guess.
What do we have here? God cares, am I able to go in? Oh my gosh, I'm sorry if I am trespassing. No one's gonna let me in here. Wow. Wow, this is so nice. I'm not sure if we are on the right direction, but this one that you can see here behind me, this is the Tower of David. So we're gonna try to go in there and see if, you know, like there is the continuation for the Ramparts walk. But yeah, so far, Tower of David is so nice. Definitely a must visit as well. I mean, look at that. It's really cool. See, it's so nice. So if there is a Tower of David, and then yesterday we went to the City of David. So let's go. Let's see what's the view here. Oh wow, this is so nice. Yeah, so the rampart, so that's where, so we went, we came from Damascus Gate, and then going to this halfway gate. So that's where the rampart walks on that side stops. So you need to continue, you need to go down on that building, and then go here, and then go up, and then continue the walk to the Zion's Gate and Dung Gate. But for now, oh my gosh, look at this view. Jerusalem is really, you know, a beautiful city, and it should be on your list. So I'm actually wrong. So I thought that, you know, like you can what do you call it, like there's a rampant entrance on this side, but no, unfortunately I think you need to go down, or you need to get out of the Tower of David to be able to go to the rampant walks. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and we're gonna be there in a while. We are about to exit the Tower of David, and then now this is the entrance to the Ramparts walk. There. We thought that you could actually like go to the Rampart walks from the city of from the Tower of David, but unfortunately not. So you need to go to this area to be able to climb the Rampart walks. Nice, right? So again, on the ticket that you will buy, so it's gonna cost 25 shekels for one person, and for that ticket you can use it twice. So that's what we did. So first on the other gate, and then second on this gate going to the Zions. Okay, so that's the stairs going to the Zion's gate. That one. I mean, going to the Rampart walk. I finally love it. Alright, so on this side, so that, yeah, I have an update. So on the first Rampart walks, it's the northern Rampart walks. So this going to the Zion on the other part is a southern Rampart walks, and it's actually like, I think it's more fun going here because, you know, like you get to see the Tower of David. And now we are Kishe. It's called Kishe. They said that it's an underground, it's a prisoner underground. So I'll show you. So this is actually interesting. You know what? I'm really in love with, you know, history and the old architectures. You know, like, look at that, right? Like, it's like, if I have a chance to go back to the past, like since when, you know, the people, or since where they, you know, created them, definitely do that. Just to witness, you know, what happened in the past few years or every year until present. It's gonna be cool for sure. Okay, so we're continuing now to the Ramparts walk, the southern Ramparts walk, and we're going to the Zion gates already, and we're gonna see if we can also, yeah, I think we're also gonna do the Dong's gate. So yeah, it's really amazing, and it's so hot. Actually, I forgot my watch, so I don't know what's the temperature. But yeah, we're going to the Ramparts walk. This kind of reminds me of, look at this lobby. It looks like the Great Wall of China. Right? Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Like, look at the views. Right? It's freaking hot. Right, so we are now on top of the Zion's gate. And yesterday we visited this church, right? Like where the Mary died. And yeah. So we're gonna continue here. Is it closed?
Back, I guess.
You're lying. Really? You're bad. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be disappointed already if that is really closed. Wow, finally. Wow, look at this building. So nice. Okay. Wow, look at that view. Right? It's just so nice. We are on the Downs Gate now, if I'm not mistaken, because I can already see the exit. Yeah, so I think this is the Downs Gate. So there's the exit. So the southern part, I believe, stops here, and then we're gonna exit on the Zion's Gate because it's kinda near the what do you call it? It's kind of near the place where, or it's kind of near the way on our home. Stop!
Take a picture of that
Take a picture.
for your video.
Stop!
And
Wala bit mo ba? It's a disrespectful mo. Bad.
Let's go.
Wait, Lovey, I'm just gonna end this video. Let me sit down first, it's really hot. Okay, so that's all for now. That's the end of this Ramparts walk. So again, we went to the west, to the northern and southern Ramparts walk. And then it's just 25 shekels once again per person. So you can use the ticket twice. So you can start at the northern and then go down and then scan your ticket again to the southern, and then that's it. And you can also choose where to exit. If you wanted to choose to exit in the Dung's Gate or Zion's Gate or anywhere, you could do that. Babe, how much is 25 shekels in dollars?
It's about $7 US.
$7 or more. Yeah, so 7 USD or more for the entrance fee. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you do like it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow all my social media below. Once again, this is Sass reminding you all to stay golden. Bye!